Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Bitmoji's facial expression on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji avatar in the top left corner of the home screen to open your profile page. Scroll down the profile page to the Bitmoji heading and then tap on Select Selfie. You now have a wide variety of expressions and selfies to choose from. Choose the expression you would like your Bitmoji to have and then tap Done at the bottom of the page. If you scroll back up your profile page, you will see that your Bitmoji's expression has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.